In this video, I'm going to show you how to add volatility 75 index on MT5. Now to do this, you're going to have to sign up for a Deriv MT5 account because Deriv is the broker which is going to support the trading of volatility 75. So let me show you how to do this right now using a demo account. We're going to go step by step. First, you want to go to their official website from Deriv, and then you want to make your account. So to create an account, it's super simple. You can see the other video on my channel where I teach you how to actually create and open a Deriv account. Super simple. And then whenever you do this, you want to find over here inside Traders Hub, you want to switch to demo or real, whatever you want to make. I'm going to go with demo, and you'll be able to click on get over here next to where you can see the Deriv MT5. Okay. So of course, whenever you do this, you'll have to type in the password you want to use for your demo account, and that's really all you have to do. Then you'll see your demo account over here. Now we're going to need two things. The first one is this number over here, which is the login number for MT5 and the password we set. Now you can also click on open over here, where it's going to allow you to basically see all the things. So if you don't have MetaTrader, you can just download it over here as well, and then add the volatility 75 index that way. Okay. But over here, you can see we have the broker, the server, and then the login ID and password. So what I'm going to do is actually move this away over here so I can see it on my second monitor, and I'm going to open this like that. So what you want to do, you want to go to File, top left, and you want to click on Open an Account. Here, you want to go and search for Deriv, so just type in Deriv and click on Find Your Company. Then over here, it's going to find it. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. The one we're looking for is Deriv.com Limited, because that's the one it's set up there. So Deriv.com Limited, there we go. As you can see, if I pull this back over here, it says that broker is Deriv.com Limited. So that's the one I'm looking for. I'm going to click on it and click on Next. Whenever you do this, click on Connect with an existing trade account, and then you have to copy your login ID, which is the number. So I'm going to use this. There we go. And then you have to type in the password you basically used to create your account as well. There we go. So it's going to be the password for your trading account inside the Deriv. And then you also need the server, which you can find on there as well. So if I pull this up again over here, there we go. This is the server, Deriv Demo. So I'm just going to select Deriv Demo over here and click on Finish. Then wait for a few seconds.
Incoming
and
mail.
there we go. As you can see, it says incoming mail, and you get like all the positive notifications in the back, which means you are now connected, and we can go ahead and basically add the volatility 75 index. So to do this, if it's not visible over here in the market watch by default, you want to click on this button top left, which is called symbols. Now in here, you'll see there's now a bunch of different ones, and there we go. I've searched for volatility up top already. So if I type in volatility, for example, like this, there we go. As you can see, we have the volatility 75 index. So to actually add it, what you want to do is basically click on it and click on a show symbol. And there we go. If I now click OK over here, you'll be able to find it over here. There we go. We have the volatility 75 index. I can right click it, click on chart window, and here it is. Okay. You can go ahead and then trade it using new orders. You could go and use the quick order or whatever you are, of course, using usually. So that's how to do this. That's how to add a volatility 75 index on MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.